Hi, I'm Diane Grover, Cosmetic Chemist trainer and assessor here with the Institute of Personal Care Science. Today I'm going to show you how to make an upcycled body wash. Now let me show you just how easy it is. Today we are making this upcycled body wash, which is made from over 50% upcycled pear extract. Just pop a little bit of water on my hand and just show you. Oops. Beautiful foaming body wash that's made from upcycled materials. Upcycled body washes are considered environmentally sustainable because they are made from materials that would otherwise become waste. For our upcycled body wash, we will be using a product called Pyro in place of water, which would otherwise make up the base of our body wash. Because this is a surfactant system, we'll start by solubilizing our lipids in a superfatting agent. I have some bergamot essential oil and some tocopherol to protect the essential oil from oxidation. Now I'll combine my surfactants. I have an anionic surfactant, which is the main cleansing agent, an amphoteric surfactant, which will help to boost foam and mildness in my body wash, and a non-ionic surfactant, which will further add to the cleansing and mildness and also boost viscosity and creaminess in my formula. Now I can add my solubilized lipids in with the surfactants. Now for my upcycled material, Pyro, which makes up more than 50% of the formula. Pyro is an organic vegetable water extracted from upcycled organic pears, giving new life to pears which would otherwise go to waste simply because they're not attractive enough to be sold by farmers. Pyro can be used as a water substitute and is a natural antioxidant equivalent to vitamin C, which has whitening and anti-aging properties. And since this is a cold press formula, I can add my broad spectrum preservative in now. So I'm just going to very slowly and gently add my surfactant and lipid mix in with the Pyro and preservative mix. Just want to do this slowly so you don't introduce bubbles into your formula. Now that all my water-soluble material have been combined, I will create the slurry with propanediol and a natural gum and add it into the surfactant mix. It's important to add the gum after you've mixed all the water so the gum doesn't hydrate in the surfactants or in the water phase before they're combined. Now I just need to check and adjust the pH to suit both the skin and the upcycled plant extract before pouring it off. And we have this beautiful golden body wash made with upcycled pear extract. Sustainable and good for the environment. See? And that's how easy it is to make an upcycled body wash. If you like today's formula, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to receive notifications on videos just like this, and email us at info@personalcarescience.com.au for more free formulas. Happy formulating!